Hi and welcome back, I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you where you can find throwaway mailboxes in your control panel. So if you've got an account with us, then just log into your control panel and then you'll be able to follow this video. And if you're new and not yet opened an account with us, then obviously I'll leave you a link in the description so you can actually find this page. So as you can see, we're in the control panel, and all you would have to do is go over to email, and then if you look down, we've added it here for you, throwaway mailboxes. Click on that, and then this gives you lots of examples on actually how you can actually use the throwaway mailboxes. So what I would do to save time is just read through this, and it will tell you and give you examples on how to use it. But what I'll do is, if I just copy this here, this is just a simpler way of doing it. You can also add a date as well, which is a little bit further down here, and this will explain to you. Also, for further help, you can go here, and this will give you examples of where and how you can actually use it. So if we just come out of that, and if you go to mailbox, and then you want to create a new email account, and this will be your emails, or in your control panel you'll find the emails that you've already set up, and you can actually allocate your email actually to the email domain. So if I right click, paste that there. Now as you can see, this is at and then the domain, so if I just cancel that out there, and then what you would do, it'll either be Facebook, Reddit, it can be anything you want, and then if you wanted to add expiry date, then obviously you would put a plus and then the date you want it to expire. And if I just put on there, well, if we go for Sally, there, you would generate your password. You can leave this and then add mailbox. Oh, that's because I've just done one previous to that, so let's go back. Let's call it Pete, and then we'll try again, and there you go. So it's actually done it, and there, just there, you'll see the new email that you've set up. And like I say, I obviously can't do it in a demo, but if you are hosting with us and got the control panel, then what I would suggest you do is go over to a Gmail account, add this, and then come back into your account and you'll find the message that you've done in your Gmail. Anyway, I hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next video.